Today I'm going to be taking you through my photo editing workflow, specifically on Lightroom. I'm assuming that you have spent a little bit of time already in Lightroom, so you already know a little bit about it. This video is meant to help you with getting your editing process faster and decreasing the amount of time spent in Lightroom so that you can go out and take photos. Now the first thing that we're going to talk about is very crucial for me, just so that I know where all my photos are, and that's to make sure that all my photos are organized in my hard drive or wherever I am saving them to. Now if you look on my screen, I have two folders here. I have this folder here in photos, and here you can see that I have it organized by dates. I have 2020, and then I have it here all listed out by month. Now this is actually just an example of what it actually looks like. I have an external hard drive where I keep all of my photos, and this is the organization that I have. I just have this here, the example, so that you can see what that looks like in my hard drive. Now in this photo, going into photos, I organize my photos by year, then by month, then obviously by day. And just to help me know which events happen after the date, I will write out the actual event on that folder. So let's take a look at it. 2020, and then today is actually October 31st. So I'll go to October and then 10.31.2020 Lightroom video examples. That's how I would organize it. Now in this folder, I've already created it, but I would also create another folder, and I will label that 10.31.2020 Lightroom video examples. And then at the end, I will also add the words originals to distinguish which one is edited and which one is the original raw files. Now this is the point where we can open up Lightroom. So open up Lightroom. Okay, now that you've opened up Lightroom, what you want to do is go to File, New Catalog, and we're going to create a catalog in the folder with whatever event that we just created. So we would go to Photos, 2020, October, 10.31.22, Lightroom video examples. I'm actually going to copy this by clicking rename, and then on the Mac it's Command-C to copy the name, and then I'm going to save in that folder as 10.31.2020 Lightroom video examples. Is that a dog? Okay, so 10.31.2020 Lightroom video examples catalog. That's how I would save it. Okay, or catalog, like that. This is so that when I need to re-edit something again, I can go back into the folder, click on Lightroom's catalog, and it will open it up again with all the photos already in there. So I'm gonna save that, create. Okay, now that we have opened up the catalog, we're going to import the photos. So you can go down here to import, or you can press Command-Shift-I. Then I'm going to select my source, which is desktop, nope, it's other source. And then I'm going to go into 10.31.2020 Lightroom video originals, choose that. And then I have all these photos that I literally took today, and I'm going to import all of them. Just import that. We're going to rate the photos from 5 stars to unrated, 1 being not good photos and I possibly want to trash it, to 5 stars, which is I'm definitely keeping these photos. So I'll just start here. This photo I'm definitely not going to keep. I might keep that one, so that's a 5. After I'm done with that, I'm going to delete the definitely not using photos, the photos that I'm definitely not going to use. I will go to Filters, Unrated, and then I will select them all by pressing Command-A. Now if you press delete, normally it'll just delete one photo. So what I want to do in this case is I want to press G for grid, and then I'm going to press delete, and then I will delete from this because I don't need these. Now obviously at this point you're going to edit your photo, so you're gonna click on it, go to develop, and then edit your photos. Now if you have photos that are similar, you can make edits on one photo and then select all of them, obviously by, let me deselect these first. You can make edits on all photos by selecting all the photos that you want to copy over, and then pressing sync over here, and then you choose what you want to sync, whether that's crop, or the white balance, or the color grading, or color and saturation, all that. You press synchronize, and it will copy over all your photos that you've selected. So it'll have all a similar look. Now, I personally actually don't like this, so we're gonna change that. Yeah, I like that one better. So we're gonna synchronize that with everything. From here, once you are done with editing all your photos, you're going to press Command-Shift-E. And then I have this preset here, which allows me to just press this, and then I will just batch export. Batch export, and then I'm going to choose the destination where I want to put my photos. Now here, what you want to do is to put it in the same folder that you have your originals and your catalog in. I'm going to name it 10.31.2020 Lightroom video examples edited. Okay, and I will create, and then I will press choose, and it will export just like that. And that's all I have for today. If you guys enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this one. I will be making more tips and tricks for Lightroom, for Premiere, for Final Cut, and stuff like that, and maybe social media platform things, Instagram, coffee, I don't know. I also make vlogs once in a while. See you guys later.